Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with E&V, and today we got a lot going on. First thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a pizza sauce, and of course with that pizza sauce we got to put it on some dough, right? I made a dough yesterday. I have it on Cooking with E&V. You can check out that video, and we're going to be putting that pizza in our new Expert Grill charcoal fired pizza cooker. That's right. I also did an unboxing on that. You can look at that on the Jennings report. So, and also, we're going to be making chicken nachos. We're going to be using that gorgeous rotisserie chicken that I cooked on Saturday. That's right. So we got pizza, we got chicken nachos, and oh, how can I forget? We are making fresh homemade guacamole. Yes, this should be award winning. My guacamole is the best. So just to reiterate, we got pizza going on, we got chicken tacos going on, and we got fresh guacamole. And that fresh guacamole is going to go with the tacos. So without talking too much, which I probably do all the time, let's get started with this pizza sauce. It's going to be very simple. Take a 28 can of, now I'm using crushed tomatoes this time. Normally I use the peeled tomatoes and I crush them with my hands. So we're just going to apply that down in here. And let me get you close and personal. You don't need to see my face anymore. Alright. So we got 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. This is organic crushed tomatoes. We're gonna put 2 of these spoonfuls of salt. This is kosher salt. Really flaky. I like the texture of this salt. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's real flaky. Just gonna go throw 2 of those in there. All right. Oh, the pizza we're gonna be making pepperoni pizza for one. And if I decide to make 2 pizzas, I'll throw some of that smoked chicken on there. We're gonna go with some oregano. Can't have pizza sauce without oregano in it. This wouldn't be pizza sauce. We're also gonna go with some garlic. Love my garlic. And I think I'm gonna put a little basil in it. Let me go to the pantry here and get out the basil, which is somewhere about here. We go. Okay, we're gonna basil leaves. Not too much because basil is very strong. All right. Now we'll get a spoon. Oh, and one more thing, folks. As we all know, pizza sauce is very acidic. So you want to add some sugar. So I'm going to start out with a teaspoon of sugar. A teaspoon of sugar. Let's give it a mix. Anytime you're cooking, you need to taste your food. Always taste your food when you're cooking. And of course, this is going to sit for a little while so the flavors get even better. See how we did. That is absolutely delicious. I'm gonna put a little bit more garlic and a little bit more oregano. And I think we got it. All right, guys, so look, we'll bring it back up. want you to stay tuned. Now this may be a little lengthy, but this video is going to be worth it. So we're going to be doing this in segments, of course. But stay tuned with me, and I'm going to entertain you as best I can. So don't go nowhere. We'll be right back. When you see me, I'm going to be starting the guacamole. All right, gang, we're back, and it's time to get this guacamole going on. All right, right here I prepared some onions, which I seeded, some tomatoes, which I seeded, some red onion, and some cilantro. This is gonna go into our guacamole, and some of it's gonna be for the nachos. All right, so we have 4 medium-sized guacamole. Oh my God. Help me out, people, in the comment section. Anyway, we got 4 of these. What you do, you take your knife, a sharp knife, and watch your hands. Run it along and around, because you're going to feel a pit right there. And once you get around to the other side, it should fall open like that. I'm sure you've seen this a million times. To get your pit out, just take your knife, kind of tap it, twist, and the pit is out. We're going to do these all the same, and then we'll get the meat out. Twist, turn, easy, easy. And these look pretty good. Very nice looking. Avocados, that's the word. I bet you everybody was sitting on the edge of their seats like, okay, is he gonna say avocados or what? Now, what I'm gonna do is grab a little smaller knife. Take a little small paring knife like this. And what I do, this is how I get my meat out of my guacamole, because I like chunky guacamole. I just go across like that. Then kind of make cubes in it. All the way down. Be careful not to go through the skin of the guacamole. And I take my spoon and just scoop everything out. Just like that. And we're going to repeat the process. I'm going to do this one, and I'll do another one so y'all can see how it's done. And I know you know how to do it. You've probably done it. But this is the people who's never made guacamole before. And I suggest you make it. Because there's so many different versions of guacamole. If you like Mexican food, every Mexican restaurant you probably have gone to and eaten in, the guacamole has tasted different. But when you make it at home, you know what you're getting, and it tastes good. And my wife, she loves my guacamole. I have a buddy of mine at work. Hey Brandon, hope you're watching. He didn't like guacamole until he tasted my guacamole. I brought it to work one day, and he was like, oh my God, I gotta have some more of this. So I need to catch up with him because he works shift. I need to catch up with him so I can make him a batch. We're gonna go a couple more. I know you guys want to be entertained. Y'all don't have anything else to do but watch me on YouTube. And we sure appreciate all of our subs. Val and I, we are over 700 subscribers. We are looking to get 1,000 subscribers by mid-summer. Before mid-summer will be perfect. And we just appreciate all you people out there. And even across the pond, over there in England, you know who you are. That's my biggest fan right there. Yep. This is what I love to do. Val loves to bake. And this is just our pastime. Shout out to my family on the East Coast, my family on the West Coast. Hope you're enjoying your Memorial Day. Hope you enjoyed your Memorial Day weekend. All right. Now that we have that all together, just gonna get rid of this. We're gonna spoon in. Let me wash my hands real quick. We're gonna spoon in all of this cilantro. That's probably about 2 tablespoons of cilantro. We're gonna do the same, maybe a tablespoon and a half of the red onion. And not a lot of people have seen tomatoes in their guacamole, but we love it. So we're gonna scoop in about a tablespoon of that. Now we have 1 lime. We're gonna put juice of 1 lime in there. And as you saw, I was rolling it. That gets the juices really good in there. I need to get me one of those juices, those handheld ones. It makes it much easier. But if you have impeccably clean hands, you can do it like this. Okay, get rid of that. Leave us a comment down below. How do you like your guacamole? Do you just like it plain? What do you like in it? Do you fix it at home yourself? And oh, by the way, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Like, share, and give us some thumbs up. Right now we're gonna put some sea salt in there, some of this good old flaky sea salt. We're gonna hit it about 2 of these first. Let's go 3. Now we're gonna get the mixing. You can continue to break it up a little bit if it's too chunky for your desire. But other than that, you know, I like it like that. I like some texture in it. All right. Just like any cook, you want to taste your product before serving it. So we're gonna give this a taste. Give y'all a, yeah. Doesn't that look good, y'all? Let's go for it. Oh yeah, that's delicious. That's delicious. All right, guys, homemade guacamole. Didn't take long at all to make this. Next step, we're gonna get those nachos together, and then we're gonna do that pizza. So stick around. Hey everyone, we're back and we're gonna get started with our nachos. It is unfortunate at the moment, it is raining outside, so it's gonna put a damper on our pizza party parade, but that's not gonna stop us. I'm sure the rain will pass over us in a short while. But we're gonna build these tacos up right now. Just be a little snack before we eat the pizza. All right, so here I got some Mission tortilla chips, the round chips. And what I'm gonna do is just place a layer around here like this. Couple more, yeah. All right, that looks good. Let me get one more right here. Okay. Now I blended both of these two cheeses together. I warmed it up in the microwave. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna drizzle cheese over this layer right here so these toppings will stay. Or I decided to put some jalapenos in there just because it's the right thing to do. So we're just gonna drizzle that cheese, just like that. And this is a great snack for when you're home, especially days like this, when it's raining and the kids are at home and they're lunchy. You know how kids are, they always want to eat something. All right, so now we're gonna take a little red onion. We're gonna take some tomato. And a couple of jalapenos. All right, now what I need to do is get the chicken out, and we're gonna warm up our chicken, our rotisserie chicken, in the microwave for a little bit. In the meanwhile, we're gonna get another layer of our chips, just a small layer. We're gonna just build flavor, build some happiness. And while our chicken is getting warm, the chicken's gonna go right on top of this layer right here. Right. So we got a mixture of white meat and dark meat. We're just gonna mix all that up, and we're gonna let it fall where it lay. Just like that. All right. Then we're gonna add a little bit more red onion. Some tomatoes. Doesn't look delicious, guys? How many people is gonna make this tonight or next weekend? Leave a comment down below. We would like to know how many people we got going on making some homemade nachos. And finally, we're gonna get another layer of cheese on here. Get all that cheese on there, we ain't gonna waste anything. And that's not it, folks. Remember that guacamole we made earlier? I guess you know where it's going at. Throw that right in the center. Just like that. Voila. Chicken nachos with homemade guacamole, cooking with EV style. Let's go in for a taste. All right, so I got a chip here. I got everything on it. Got my chicken. I got the tomatoes, I got the onions. I'm gonna get a scoop of guacamole. So let me throw this down real quick. I want to get you up close and personal on this one. Delicious. Oh yeah, get off that couch, get in that kitchen, and get to cooking. That's delicious. Come on down. There's some things that I did forget. A little bit of cumin. Not much. Just a hint. And black olives. Just a touch. Just to give it some color also. Some contrast. Alright. I'm going in again. I'm going to get one with some cumin, black olives, a couple of them. Some more guacamole. Let me taste this. Oh yeah, that cumin set it off. All right, guys, we're gonna wait out this rain. It looks like the sun's trying to peek out now, but I'm gonna bring you back, and it's gonna be pizza time. So don't go away. All right, gang, we're back, and this is gonna be our final finale of today. Earlier you saw me making guacamole, and then I made the tortillas, the nachos, chicken nachos, and now we're gonna do our pizza. What I'm doing, I'm gonna go ahead and spread some yellow cornmeal down. Let's get things started, get that dough so it won't start sticking. And I might need some more. And here is our dough. These babies have risen very well. It was in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Take one. Oh, I'm about to get this out. Alright, here we go. And we may use this dough tomorrow. So we may have another pizza cook. Alright. What we're gonna do, we're gonna make a 13-inch pizza. I'm gonna be sliding the pizza on here because the pizza peel I have is too small. So we basically just wanna get our pizza shaped. And my objective is to make it round, but you know, I'm not a professional, and it's all about having fun. Now, I was told if your pizza dough is not cooperating, you can let it rest for about 5 minutes. And then once the dough relaxes, it won't be, it'll be easier to shape. But I think we're doing fine. A little thin right here. Uh-oh. That's one thing you don't want to do. Break holes in your dough. Alright. What we're going to do now, we're going to get a little flour on our disc right here and place our pizza right on top. And this being round, it gives you a better idea of how to shape your pizza. And I think we're looking good. What I want to do, I want to make sure this thing is going to slide, so we'll be able to put it in the pizza grill. I think I need it a little bit more right here. Alright. You know what they say, practice makes perfect. Alright, I'm gonna get better at this, I promise. Alright, bear with me 1 second, people. Okay, I'm back. Now we're gonna apply the pizza sauce. You saw me make this earlier. Oh, it smells delicious, very robust. I got one hole I need to fix here. All right, let's go on with our pizza sauce. Best you want to spoon it in, not too thick, doesn't have to be thick. Maybe about a ½ inch from the edge. And we're using crushed tomatoes for our pizza sauce. Looks delicious. I think that's gonna be good. Now for our cheese and pepperoni. Right here I'm using mozzarella cheese. Normally I would buy the mozzarella on the block and shred it myself, because this cheese has a coating on it, and sometimes it doesn't want to melt as easy. But I couldn't find it. This is all I had, so we're gonna go with it. Like I said, the Expert Grill pizza, charcoal pizza oven, it was at 800 degrees when I came inside. Now it is raining outside, so I'm not going to take the camera out. I would like to show you all me putting this in here, but I'm not able to do that now. So I apologize for that, but there'll be other videos. So we're gonna put some black olives. Leave in the comment section below how many of you guys like black olives on your pizza. And we're gonna do just a little bit of onion. Not too much, we're gonna do a little bit of red onion. And we're gonna finish off these leftover tomatoes. Alright. Now, we have some pepperoni here. Pepperoni. And we're gonna layer this bad boy with some good old pepperoni. I love the smell of pepperoni. So this is how I like to do it. I like to go around real tight and then come into the middle, towards the middle. That way you have a extra loaded pepperoni pizza. Just like this. All right. Well, guys, I'm gonna get this out on the expert grill, and we're gonna see what this $137 pizza charcoal pizza maker can do. So don't go nowhere. When I come back, we're gonna show you the final product. All right, everyone, here is our final results. The pizza went well, the cook went well. It took probably about 2 minutes for this to cook. And right now, we're gonna cut into it and do a taste test. And the crust is very crunchy. It's still light inside. All right. This is gonna be awfully hot, so let me bring you up close and personal. There we go. All right, let's see how we did. I have to admit, that's pretty good. That sauce is outstanding. One other thing I did, I put some fennel seeds in my sauce. It's very good. Val's gonna be proud of me. All right, everyone, if you like what you see and like what we're doing, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like, share it, and hit the thumbs up. And also hit that notification bell so whenever we drop new videos, you'll be the first one. Do some pizza. And also, go to Walmart, look at that great expert grill, that charcoal grill, that pizza grill. You won't be disappointed. Until the next video, we love you guys. Have a good work week, and hope you enjoyed your Memorial holiday, and be kind to one another. So long.